Hello my friends, this is Christian for Life Force Microscopy again. Today I'm visiting another park, another beautiful reserve here in the suburbs of Melbourne, Australia. This is really a beautiful park, and it is huge. Continuing with the geobiology series, today I found another dead tree. This one is huge, pretty big. I think it used to be eucalyptus or gum tree for sure. That's what we usually have around here, as far as I can tell. Lots of eucalyptus trees and maybe some pine trees as well. So, having a look around this tree, I can't really find any other dead tree, which makes me wonder what's going on here. Trees sometimes usually die of natural causes and even old age. But then again, I don't believe in coincidences, so this is something that I need to look into. So, what is going on here? If you remember my other videos that I took at a different park, in those videos I talked about geopathies and dead, dried up trees. And sometimes when you see a dead tree amongst many other healthy green trees, you really have to ask yourself, hey, what's going on here? What happened? So that's what I'm trying to find out today. I'll probably make another video about this tree and area after I'm done doing some research on this tree in regards to what possible causes are involved in this very particular situation, like geopathies and negative energies and stuff like that. So we'll see about that in a future video. It's a little bit noisy today because Australia opened its borders, international borders again, so it's kind of noisy with all these airplanes flying around. So, as you can see, you don't see dead trees in the vicinity of this sick, well, more than sick, dead tree. So, what is going on here? I already used my dowsing rods and I was trying to look for a connection between this tree and any other dead trees around this area, but to be honest, I haven't found any yet. Sometimes you can have a dead tree and that dead tree is in the area of a negative line of force that sometimes connect to one more or maybe two more trees, and all of them within that line of force, geopathic line of force, become sick and even die over time. Like I said, this tree looks very old to get to this size, and then it died. Geopathic energies, geopathies, have this very powerful negative effect on living matter, and they kill everything. So, like I was saying, I don't see any other dead trees around this one. All of them look very normal and healthy to me. So it is my opinion that some kind of geopathic energy has affected this tree over time, and what I feel is that this geopathic energy is coming to the surface right under or around this tree. Not really like I found in many other different cases where the geopathic energy forms a line of negative force, geopathic energy force. In this case, the geopathy seems to come out of the ground directly under the tree or in the vicinity of it. So walking from this tree, like from it, the area of negative influence reaches approximately up to this point, maybe anywhere between 6 and 8 meters in a circle around this dead tree. Over time, chances are that this other tree over here will also suffer the same fate as this one. We'll have to wait and see. Sometimes these geopathic energies take a long time to do their work, but in the end they kill everything in their path. So think of a volcano erupting right under this tree, and the energy coming from it over many years will end up absorbing all the life force from this tree, and then over time, because this doesn't happen overnight, over time, over many years possibly, in the case of this tree, this will happen. The tree will die. It's as simple as that. I'll probably go back to this same case with some electronic devices to do a little bit more research. Like for example, I'll try to use a magnetometer, a compass maybe, to see if I find any kind of anomalies around this area here. I'll keep you posted regarding this particular case. Yeah, everything is dead, dried up. Pretty soon they'll cut it down and get rid of it. It's just waste, I guess. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you posted.